Hey YouTube, thanks so much for watching my video. Creamy tomato soup. First, dice one large yellow onion. I prefer yellow onions over sweet onions for this recipe. This knife is absolutely terrible. I just bought it. It's not really a big deal to me though. You can see how to cut it. That's the point of my video, not to show off my knife skills. In a saucepan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Make sure it's coated evenly. And over medium-low heat, cook the onions about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Minutes later, once they're soft but not burned, add a can of whole tomatoes and their juice. Increase the heat to medium. Season it with some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic too. I don't have any, so I'm using powder. Some Himalayan pink salt or regular sea salt. And fresh ground black pepper. Break up the tomatoes to release the juice. Stir it occasionally and cook the tomatoes for about 10 minutes until they begin to soften. Minutes later, add about 1.5 cups of water. I'm not actually measuring, I'm just eyeballing. I do that sometimes. Simmer for about 15 minutes until the tomatoes are easy to break apart. "15 minutes later, cool it down for about 10 minutes and blend it. I'm blending it on high for about 2 minutes. Now add it back to the pan. Make sure the heat is low. It's a bit too high, but that's alright. You can see it's boiling. Add about 1/3 cup of heavy cream. That'll cool it off. And give it a good stir. You never want to boil cream. This is so much better than canned tomato soup. You can really taste the tomatoes. 5 minutes later, it's ready to eat. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Have a great day.